Let's talk about Nairobi residents. The current statistics says that there is around 5 million Kenyans who live in Nairobi. Now let's talk about the rich ones. The statistics also say that there is less than 1 million people who are rich in Nairobi. And those people live in the high-end areas. There are people who choose to live in villas, mansions, but there are a set of people who choose to live in high-end apartments. There are two big or two known areas in Nairobi where you can get high-end residential apartments. One of those locations is General Mathenge and the other one is Riverside Drive. We did a video on Riverside Drive and we will attach it down in the comment section. Check the first comment or check the description box. Today we are in General Mathenge and we are presenting to you this 4-bedroom duplex which has a plinth area of around 250 square meters and the prices are starting from 34 million Kenya shillings. You will look at it, you'll have a tour with me, you will walk with me and you'll tell me if this is something that you would want for your family. From there, you can see that we are at the living area, and as it has been furnished, because this is the show house, you can see that you have enough space to fit an 8-seater couch. One thing that highly contributes to the value of high-end apartments is the view that you get from your unit, or the balance of outdoor-indoor environment. This unit has not been left behind and it is giving you the best of that. Let's see the balcony. The show house is on the first floor, but from there you can agree with me that this area is very calm. The size of the balcony is more than standard and it gives you a good space on this side where you can sit and enjoy the morning sunshine. On this other side you have more space, of which you can use it for any other purpose that you choose to. This living room gives you a focal point on this side that comes standard and it gives you several drawers where you can keep maybe your remote or maybe some documents, or you can put a painting up here or maybe some decorations. On this side you get the main entrance, which is a 5-foot mahogany door, and this adds to the aesthetic of this unit. Next to it, you get the common washroom, and outside you have an access to the employee quarters and the laundry area. Let's talk about this console table. It adds to the aesthetic, it also adds to the beauty, and it gives a very good utilization of the space around this area. Behind me, on my right hand side, you get the dining area, and it has been done excellently. Right now we are getting a circular table which is big enough to fit 6 people or to fit 6 of your family members. But if you would like to do a rectangular table, you can do up to an 8-seater dining set. What I like is the finishing on the gypsum ceilings and the light fixtures, because they are balancing the mood between cool and warm. What I love most about this living room is the transition between the spaces. The living room is on my left hand side and it transitions to the dining area, which is here, and this space also transitions to the kitchen space, which is behind me. One thing that I've not seen in many apartments is an island, and a functional one for that matter. This one has been done excellently and it would act as a very good work table. Just imagine your fiance sitting here while she is chopping, or while he is chopping some meat, and you are there preparing maybe the ugali. That would be very interesting. Ama namna gani? On this side, you can see that the kitchen comes fully fitted and you get all the fixtures including a dishwasher. The microwave is up here and you have a space which is big enough to fit a side-by-side refrigerator. Interesting. The utilization of space in this kitchen is just on another level, because under the staircase you get the biggest pantry that we have seen in an apartment, and it extends to the other side of the staircase. Very, very nice utilization of space. This door is opening to the laundry area. I want you to see it. As you can see, the laundry area has been done very well, and it would also act as a wet kitchen if you want to convert it to fit that purpose. On this side, you can do your dryer. The washer is already done, and you have some shelves where you can do some maybe clothes or your washing detergents. This would act as a very good top for your ironing. The door proceeds to the employee quarters, which is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. I already know some of you are already saying or asking, Mungai Kihara, before we proceed, can you explain to us what a duplex is? A duplex is an apartment which covers 2 floors. So it's like you are living in a mansion, but now on an apartment block. Behind me, you get a small walkway that is taking you to the 1st bedroom on this level. The other 3 bedrooms are on the upper level, and we will see that in a minute. This bedroom is targeting your guest, and as you can see, it is big enough to fit a 5x6 bed like this one, and you have some spaces for the side drawers. And that tells you one thing, that these extra spaces would allow you to do a king size or a queen size bed. The 2 big windows that you get are excellent in giving you enough natural light. Getting a floor to ceiling closet is one thing, but getting nice partitionings and good quality closet is another thing, and that also adds to the value of this apartment. Next to me, you get the bathroom of this bedroom, and as you can see, it comes with a shower cubicle which has been done very well, and it is of a good size, a floating WC, and a vanity. For the shorter version of this video, always check out our Instagram or our TikTok at African Real Estate. If you would want to compare a unit like this with many more, always check our website africanrealestate.com. On my far front, you get a mini family room. The 1st bedroom on this level is on my right hand side, and on my left hand side you have the 2nd bedroom. Later we will see the primary bedroom. This bedroom is targeting your twins, because by the time you are getting to this level, of course God must have blessed you to get twins or 2 kids who are of the same age group. The closet is on this side, and it is wall to wall to make sure that it gives you an ample space for you to keep all the clothes. The partitionings have been done very well. The bathroom is here, and it is adopting a similar concept to what we saw in the guest bedroom. What you get for the vanity is 2 pressure valves, one for the long call and the other one for the short call. You also get a beautiful big mirror. The mini family room is very strategic, because it separates the kids' bedrooms from the parents' bedroom, and that gives you a bit of privacy. As you can see, it has been done very well, and this would be an excellent space for you to relax, watch your favorite movie, or maybe read a book. If you would want to have a private space away from the rest of the family, this would be an excellent space. The primary bedroom is here, and it is not the only bedroom we have on this level. We will see the 2nd kids bedroom on that side. If you were to ask me, I would say that the family bedroom is the highlight of this unit. For 250 square meters, this family bedroom is taking a lot of that space, and it has been done very well. I'm loving the king size bed, because this would be just excellent for you and your partner. Let's talk about the balcony, which is on this other side. From the preview of the drone shots and the size of this balcony, you will agree with me that from here you'll have the best life or the best view of Nairobi city center from a close range. Many people know Nairobi city center from the ground level, but if we take a higher unit on this unit, even from the 5th or 6th unit, you'll be able to see Nairobi from a bird's eye view. Mr. Sante here likes a walk-in closet, and today he is very pleased to show you this one. As you can see, it has been done very well and it would fit your clothes and your partners. It is floor to ceiling and finished very well with white interior and this gray exterior. The combination of color is excellent and the size of the partitionings are excellent for your suits and your partner's clothes. Next to the walk-in closet, you have your shower or your primary bathroom. And it comes with a double vanity which has been done very well. You have a floating WC which comes with a bidet spray. And on my right hand side, you get a bathtub jacuzzi. If that is not enough, on my left hand side, you get the biggest shower cubicle that we have seen in an apartment. From the primary bedroom, there is another bedroom here which can be used by your teenagers. But before we see it, what do you think about the primary bedroom? Is it something that you would take? If you were to ask me or ask Mr. Vincent here, that primary bedroom is just beautiful. This is the other bedroom, and as you can see, it is getting a big space to fit a 6x6 bed like this one. You have a space there for the side drawer, and you have a space here for the ottoman. The closet is here, and it is taking an L shape. This is the bathroom to this bedroom, and it is adopting a similar concept to every other bathroom that we saw in this unit. This development also comes with some 3 bedrooms, and the print area is starting from 150 square meters and the prices are starting from 23 million Kenya shillings. I'll give you a quick tour and you'll be able to compare between the 4-bedroom duplexes and the 3-bedroom apartment. Which would you take? I'm actually very confused. I don't know which one I would take. The 3-bedroom is more neat, a bit small, maybe for a small family, but the 4-bedroom is for the people who want to flex. If you want to flex or you want to feel like you're living like a king, the 4-bedroom is for you. But this one, if you are starting, if your money have started coming in, this is what you need. It is a 3-bedroom actually, as I said, 150 square meters. But the finishing is just excellent. I'm loving everything. You get a console table here. I don't know what people use this for. I don't know how I would use it because I don't have it in my house, but it utilizes this space very well. As you can see, the seats have not been pulled to the wall, so you have a walkway that takes you to the balcony, which is on my far front, directly from the main door. Just come with me. This is the dining area. Right now, it is a 4-seater. If you would want to do a bigger dining area, it is allowed. As you can see, the space is big. On this other side, you can see you have a beautiful focal point. The ceiling heights are excellent. I'm a tall person, but as you can see, the ceiling heights are excellent. The gypsum ceilings are sophisticated. Sio zile za maua. These ones are a bit sophisticated and very well done. You get a warm lighting and a cool lighting. You get a big window here and a transparent access which is supposed to take you to the balcony space. And the focal point is interesting. That one comes standard. And the space, this would be excellent for a family. So if you would want to purchase any of this, make sure you call us in the number that will be attached in the first comment. This is the main door and it is a 5-foot door. Long and mahogany. It is an excellent aesthetics to welcome your people to the unit, and they will know that this is a quality unit. Next to it, you get the common washroom. It has been done very well, and this is actually the best place to have it because the guests will be able to access it anytime. The kitchen is here, coming fully fitted. You are getting upper and lower cabinetry. The granite is nice, and I'm loving the strip light, which is making this space more lit. On this side, you have the washing area, and a dishwasher is coming standard in this development. something that we have not seen in many apartments, but for 23 million Kenya shillings, at least you deserve it. The door is opening to the laundry area, and you have your washer there and a dryer, and that's the space where you do your gas cylinder also. Come to this side. Back to the living room, you take a small walkway that is leading you to an extra storage. I don't know what you would do with this. Maybe you can do it. You can use it as a shoe rack for the family shoes. It is an excellent space and very well situated. This is the primary bedroom. Let's see it. As you can see, the space is excellent to do a king size or a queen size bed. The headboard has been done very well, and I'm loving the combination of the colors because it is giving a very warm environment. You are also getting a floor to ceiling closet and a wall to wall closet, and this gives you an excellent space for you to keep all your clothes, and it is actually big enough for 2 people. On my far front, you get the primary balcony, and that gives you a very good view to this General Mathenge locality. The bathroom is here. Behind me, you get the vanity, a floating WC, and on my far left, you get a shower cubicle. That is the concept that you see in all the bathrooms in this unit. From here, we take this walkway that is taking you to the second bedroom, and this bedroom is targeting your big kids or your teenagers. It is big, and the space is big enough to do a 5x6 bed. The window is excellent to give you a ton of natural light, and the closet is on my far front. This bedroom is sharing this bathroom with the second kids' bedrooms, and the bathroom is adopting a similar concept to what we saw in the primary bedroom. This is the other bedroom, and it is targeting your toddlers or your tiny kids. It comes with 2 beds just in case you are blessed with twins, or just in case you have a nanny who is taking care of the kid. And the closet also is floor to ceiling to fit 1 or 2 people. This is an excellent concept. The ceiling heights are also very high in these bedrooms. And this painting is just excellent for the walkway. We have come to the end of the tour, and we hope you have enjoyed. The purpose of showing you these units is for you to notice the differences between the units that we show in Kilimani, Kileleshwa, and Lavington, and the higher tier that you can get in Riverside or General Mathenge. If you would want to settle on something like this, our number is always attached in the first comment. As always, this is Mungai Kihara, and you are watching African Real Estate.